What is human factor? Human factor considers all these factors which are facilities for equipment, people and management systems. All these elements considered is to reduce the likelihood of human error, increase productivity and quality, and reduce the risk of work-related illness. Another one is its proper application is to result in improved operating effectiveness and reliability.
Our first case study is from oil and gas industry. The work activity here is drilling operation. In this work activity, the human factor identified is human factor engineering. The error is the dysfunction of the safety barrier performance during the drilling operation. The dysfunction of the safety barrier performance can lead to can cause lack of efficiency of work performance, thus can lead to accident. Therefore, to solve this problem, competent person need to test the safety barrier to make sure that it can work properly.
This picture is about safety barrier before and after implementing stainless steel mesh nets to improve effectiveness.
So the second case study is in manufacturing industry. The activities involved is operators assembling the electronic components manually. The human error identified is related to ergonomic factor. The first error is insufficient lighting during performing their task. The effect from this error can cause eye strain and neck strain because the workers need more effort to focus on their task. This can cause humans to assembling wrong electronic component and cause defect in the productivity. To solve this problem, the factories need to provide more sufficient lighting, which is at least 500 lux, for assembling electronic components. So the next error is chair discomfort. Many of workers complain that there is a shortage of chairs and also the chairs is not comfortable while they are using it while performing their works. Sometimes workers may work overtime and can cause leg cramp and also back pain. So they become fatigued to continue their works. So to overcome these problems is the company need to provide more ergonomic chairs, which is it can be adjustable and also can be used for a long period of time.
In conclusion, from case study, we can see that human factor can reduce training time, minimizes human error, and improve comfort, safety, and productivity.
We hope that from this video, you know what is human factor and how to deal with it. Thank you for watching our video.